Next one is futsu, which the ongyomi read waku. It means boil, if you boil water, okay, for example. The first one is futto. Futto means boil. The second one is futten, which means the point of boiling point. And the last one is topputsu. Tots here represents suddenly, so suddenly boil. So for example, when you're doing experiment and some liquid, when you heat it up, it suddenly boil and becomes it releases gas quickly. Topputsu. The next one is to. Okay, it means to rise up. Since this kanji have horse inside it, actually when a horse rise up, when it stands up, it use this kanji actually. So the first one is futto, which means boil. The second one is boto. The first kanji, bo, means chaos, like going wild, bewildered. So it becomes jumps, the price jumps. Usually the guys in economics are using this word. Kakaku ga boto, the price jumps. The next kanji is jo or musu, which means steam. Okay, so we have the first one is jouhatsu. Jouhatsu means evaporate. The second one is jouki. This one is the gas of the steam, so it means vapor. The third one is suijouki. You put water in front, you got water vapor. Okay, so the first one, evaporate, I forgot to explain. This one, hatsu, means to departure. So when the steam it became a steam. So from water to gas vapor, it becomes evaporate. This one, hatsu, which means depart. We've got the first same kanji, jouhatsu, which means evaporate. The next one we got hatsuden. Hatsuden means when you depart or you create electricity. So you generate electricity, hatsuden. If you put machine at behind hatsuden ki, it means that generator. The next one is kihatsu. This ki means volatile. So for example, some liquid, some acid liquid, if you put that liquid just in an open air, if it's volatile, the liquid will become gas molecule slowly by. The next kanji is shuku or chijimu, which means shrink. So we got the first one is gyoshuku. It becomes stiff and shrink, which means condensation from gas to liquid. The next one is shukusho. It shrink and becomes small. So it becomes shrinkage. The next one is noshuku. This first kanji represents concentrated, and the second one is shrink. So concentrate. For example, if you're doing some chemical experiment, you got lots of solvent inside your substance, and you have to remove that solvent. You have to concentrate it by using some apparatus, right? So that is nonshuku.